Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from a giveaway that I received from Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. During the Christmas holiday, I entered a giveaway that Rosalind was hosting, and my name was selected, and I was super excited to receive this. I got it in the new year. Things have been really busy with videos and everything, but now I'm going to be doing a two-part video showing these products. It's an 8-piece kit. It's the brown and gray kit. I'm going to be leaving the product link in the description box below, along with a discount code. Currently I see it at $9.99, which is a steal for these gel polishes. As you know, I've done a number of these, and they're of really good quality, especially for beginners. So the boxes are all the same. It has the ingredients, 7-free formula, it has cautions, and it has the illustrations for like product expiration, not tested on animals, recyclable goods, and then just some manufacturer information as well. So let's get started into opening this kit. Again, this is a two-part video, so I'm just going to show you guys what's inside, and then I have something super crazy to show you in the part 2 video. So yeah, go ahead and click that notification bell so you don't miss a video coming out. But yeah, so we open the box, and it's a typical Rosalind box. It has the instructions manual that you see here. It explains what gel is, especially for new users. It discusses UV and LED lamps. And then when you open up the little booklet, it shows you how to use and how to remove instructions, as well as some, examples of DIY nail art, which is also helpful for beginners. And sometimes I like reading those because sometimes I do the same thing. And it's always nice to see if someone's doing something else differently than I do. But yeah, the back, there's some basic Q&A if you do have any questions. So let's get started to opening these polishes. And each bottle is like 3 milliliters, but it's pretty decent for what you need to do with it. This one's 2406. Let's check the color out. Oh wow, this is like pumpkin orange. And the consistency, you guys, I love the consistency. It's not too runny, not too thick. And it has, most of these have great coverage. So sometimes you don't even need 2 layers, you just need the one. So for the size bottles, it's not bad at all, really. And again, it's $9.99, so I think that the price is a steal for what's out there. This color is 03. It looks pretty dark. There's that little peekaboo window. And this color is going to be black. I needed black. I really did, because I have one other gel bottle in black, and it's a little thin in consistency, so I'm really liking that this one's a bit thicker. I've been using my gel paint to cover a nail sometimes, because I find that to be a thicker consistency too than this other bottle that I have. So this is 2914. I'm going to see what this color is. This is gray. I needed a gray, like, I don't know how many designs ago, very recent, before the end of the new year, and I used my lacquer to get the gray. So I'm glad that I now finally have a gray. And you guys, like, I can always just go out and buy these things, but I have to have, okay, with my family unit, I can't just go out buying things. So again, $9.99. It's a good price for these. If I had to replace something, I definitely would consider it. But yeah, I'm so thankful that Rosalind has been pretty generous with me in sending me their products. So this is 02. I have this one already. This is a white. And which is good too, because I'm literally like I'm running very low on my other bottle that I have. But if you remember my pink series, a PR from Rosalind, they did have a white in there. I was actually just cleaning up the other day and I noticed that there was another white. So now I have two whites. I actually have a third, but that one I want to use sparingly because that's my favorite white, but I'm really glad that I have another bottle of this to use. Again, this consistency is better than what I have currently. So this is 1/6. This is this color actually that I used in my last PR video with the reflective gels. So this is like, I guess, a camel or tan color. And I like this one too. I like earth tones, I like nudes, and this is practically matching my skin right now, so what's not to like? But yeah, I'm glad I have another one of these because I am almost running out of the other bottle. And then if you don't know, I have a another brand in a pudding gel that's similar in color. So this is definitely that I actually picked that one out. So that shade is a shade that I definitely like. So this one's 9056. I from the image that I saw, I knew that this was going to be some sort of iridescent, and 1,000 apologies that the video is not picking it up. But when I opened this bottle, I saw the iridescent sheen to it. It's a pretty coral color with the iridescent sheen on it. So I was really excited to get this one, and hopefully when I put it on a nail, you'll be able to see it better, or at least in photo. But yeah, I can't wait to use that one. The next bottle I knew was going to be an iridescent color here. You can see it through the peekaboo window. This one's 1.5. Let's open it. I really wanted to see this one. I was thinking opal all the way. So I'm glad that I kind of have a mix already that looks like opal, because I would just take like a milky white and put an iridescent powder on it. And now I see that like I have this polish that I can easily turn into an opal without that extra work. So I can't wait to use that one. And then last but not least, okay, this looks like a brown, and I think I have this color as well. This is a 2661. I definitely have this one, and it's this color here. I remember that because I just used this in like a couple of videos ago for the reflective gels. Yep, and I love this color because it looked like chocolate. This is the one shade though that did not have great coverage. It's a little transparent, so you definitely need like a primer base color before you put this on, if you're intending to have that rich chocolate look. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Look out for part 2 for a product demonstration. Again, I'm going to leave the product link with the discount code in the description box below. This video will be added to the Rosalind promo playlist, and you'll be able to see the video that I did. Again, these two are the same colors that I have in this box, so you can imagine what I can come up with tomorrow. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.